Get in. Thursday morning. What a result last night at Euros for England.
3 days later.
He's f***ing blown it. He's blown it and we've blown it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I literally cannot f***ing believe it.
Good morning. Nice early start for us this morning. Under that lot, we're just loading up. Lads are going over to Middleham, which is past Massham. I think Dales about an hour and a half drive. So. Yeah. Bagging up those at 6 AM at morning. So we're all loaded up now. So. Yeah, make sure you slamp brakes on a lot, Baggy, if you charge not enough. So yeah, they're just setting off now. They're not here nice and early. Like I say, they'll probably get to site hopefully for just after 8. Getting it in the sat nav now, I think. So yeah, I've just got a site to see actually this morning, so I was going to go with them, but it seems a bit pointless. An hour and a half there, hour and a half back just to come straight back for an appointment. Hopefully they'll get out fencing this week. It's like round the field, and then there's a few gates and stuff to do. But we're going to have a week off and do another school near us at Batley. We're all on that with some automated gates. In fact, Baggy's off next week. Rest of us are on that job, and then we'll go back and install the gates at this job where they're starting today. So yeah, busy couple of weeks coming up. So I will get on and catch you later.
Good morning. Jamie here, Baggy's here. Kind of like a beautiful job, beautiful weather. Tomorrow's going to be awful. It's all coming down here, 1.8 Vmesh, all the way around. There's gates going in different places. I'll have to get drawing out. And all the way down there, all the way up. Tell you what though, it's beautiful around here. Wouldn't mind living around here, that's for sure. Alright, so these are first 3 going downhill. Well, the first panel, after them first 3, they've gone down. Now it's all flat. Not flat, but flat to a certain extent. You'll be able to see now when we get to end of here. All this should be fine going down here. As soon as you get to this bit here, it starts going down again. You'll get away with this bit, but definitely going to need half panels up at the top there. You're going to need half panels down here. It's going to want at least 1, 2, 3, I'd say 4 on the safe side to get to this corner. That'll be half panels, 3 up at the top, and then this section, this is fine. All the way to end we can deal with this side, that's fine. And then going from the bottom of this corner over here, you'll get away with maybe 3 full panels. Where this bush starts here, all the way up to the top wants to go in halves. You might get 1 or 2 full panels in on really flat bits, like where this wall is, but I highly doubt it. It's all kind of the same incline. Like I said, you'll get all that, that's fine. As soon as you get to about here, you can actually see the incline from here yourself. It's like that. Got these 2 bellies today. So this is what we've done so far.
Jim and Luke 2 stone.
Oh man.
My wife, yeah.
You two are absolute idiots, them two. So this is what we've done so far. It's going all the way up. It's got all the way down here today, and we'll start up at top and come all the way down.
Oh God, how bad is it? I've just nipped back out of this site at Clicky, and obviously we did this, finished it last week. But the lads, when they were tidying up, they took the bolts and everything, so I've just brought them back there because they're double paling all this in their own time, so just proof that I've left it there. There's lovely. So yeah, I shall get on my way now. I've got an appointment over in Leeds, and yeah, that's it. Good morning. It's just after 6, it's about 6:30 now. See if you can guess what I'm going to say next. It's Wednesday and I'm in the yard. Comment down below where that's from, which YouTuber. You should all know that. Lads, we just loaded all lads up, and you see that empty space behind me was full. The fencing, they've took all that now. You see this little investment we made. Just got another little trailer. I've had 2 or 3 over the years and I keep selling them because we're sick of moving them, but Carl's gone and got this for Chambers Fabs, so you don't have to rely on us with van all the time taking stuff to you know, galvan coaters and whatnot. Wants a little bit of tightening up, straight wheels, new handbrake, probably a new plug thing there, which is something to note. And I think we're probably going to permanently keep it there so it's easy to back it in. I mean, it's not bad where it is at the minute, but obviously Carl will struggle to get in and out of his door. I went for a smaller one. It'll be fine for getting gates on and stuff like that, post mix, whatever. Carl can make something to go on forks so we can just manoeuvre it about should we need to. We've got loads of post mix as well if you need any of that. So yeah, that's not a bad little investment, that, I think. Done well there. Just want, like I say, a bit of tightening up. So I'm just going to catch up with some admin for an hour now, and then I've got a few jobs to see, so hopefully the lads will get some footage. I know they struggled yesterday because it absolutely teamed it down all day. So yeah, I shall catch you later.
So, good morning. So we're over at the Dales still. We're on Thursday, so we've got tomorrow. We've got quite far, even with that rain. I don't know if anybody's seen it the other day, but I hope we're all happy. Last night England have gone through, so I believe we're having Monday off. Because let's face it, Sunday is going to be a messy one. I think all at UK should just get Monday off at this rate. Well, this is what we've done so far. So this is 1.8 Vmesh in green. It's just a clip system. Some of these I might be going in halves yet just because of the gap underneath. But yeah, it's looking good. We're going to get rid of all this stuff today. Get it out of here, so these panels and stuff like that, get rid of them. And then tomorrow we'll get the rest done. Hopefully we'll be halfway down the other side of the hill by tomorrow. I'll show you this and you'll show you what we're going to be doing today. Lads are just finishing up the corner they didn't get done yesterday, and then we'll go to the top of the hill and start up there. So as you can see, when it starts dropping down, it's gone back into halves. It's looking good. It's just a boundary fence, this stuff at schools, and stuff like that we'll be taking back with us today. It's a bit wet, but couldn't be worse than I believe it were it Tuesday. Oh man, that was an awful day. I think most of us just drove back in our boxes. It was that wet and cold. Went through like 3 pairs of clothes that day. They're coming down there now, and then they're going to join on because it's coming about a metre off the wall. They're going to join onto that post there. So we'll get up there, lads are going to get started now, and then we're going to be going right to the top of that hill. So this is a gap on this panel. It's about 5-6 inch.
Are these negligible, these? Are we going to get away with these?
You can hardly see you with grass, but...
Show him where we put that half there.
We put half in there so there's no gap.
We can get a few in at that gap,
which
I think is reasonable. Look, it's about 5 inches.
Alright, so we were expecting to be a lot further today. Fortunately, all this hill's going down in halves, so obviously double the amount of holes. I did finish off some down at bottom this morning as well. He spends more time on that phone than he does working. Donna's scared about Jamie going out on weekend because England won. We won't see him again.
Get in. Thursday morning. What a result last night at Euros for England.
3 days later.
He's f***ing blown it. He's blown it and we've blown it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I literally cannot f***ing believe it.
Anyway, I did say to the lads yesterday, if England get to the final on Sunday, which to be fair I couldn't say I thought we were going to get beat, I'll let you have Monday off. So I'm going to have to honour it now. So they're all having Monday off. So obviously once in a lifetime I suppose, and go to the pub and not worry about getting up for work Monday, falling out with me and stuff like that. So yeah, we were supposed to start a school job, but I'm going to let them know today we won't be there Monday. It is what it is. You know, like I say, it doesn't happen often, does it, get into finals? So yeah, so I'm just here. It's just after 6 Thursday morning. The lads are pretty much already loaded up. There's just a bit of rubbish there that they'll probably take off, and they've already got all the panels and everything on there. We'll take all that rubbish off, and then we'll just shove a pallet of post mix on. That might do them for this week. What they've got on, I think they spoke to Justin yesterday, aiming to get down the hill. All good. Hopefully they'll get weather holds off. Looks like it's been peeing it down all night. I think they're going well there. Should have some good footage, I would imagine.
This is where we need to move. Look at how beautiful it is around here. All houses. Literally a castle just up there, just around back of there. How beautiful it is. A little tea room. We're off for fish and chips. Reminds me of Bradford. Right, we're here. We're at it. It's Friday. Jamie, you happy?
I'm happy, mate.
He's happy. It's Friday.
Happy if England win.
He'll be happier if England win, he says. Well, yeah, we can hope. So I've just counted all these up. I've just been around and measured other job. We'll take a quick little walk around now. Unfortunately, a lot of these are going in halves, so it is going to slow the day down. But we're just getting it done. What's that?
Yeah, he's nicked it from school.
He's been to his mum's caravan, really. Don't listen to Maggie. Oh dear. Yeah, so we're all the way down to there. I've got all this to do. It's all going in halves. This isn't going to get finished this week. We're back here, not next week, the week after. So me and Jamie, I believe, will be cracking on with this while Baggy's out gallivanting. He's on holiday, so rain's coming, so we want to get absolutely smashed out of here before that rain hits us.